Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see if your computer problem browsing not responding, or computer is slow at the startup, or computer is lagging or freezing sometimes playing games. Guys, let's fix that guys. Go to start menu, start tab over here and right click and go to task manager, and here you need to select startup apps. Guys, you need to understand one thing. If you are not using anything at startup apps, if you starting Windows and if you don't want anything, you need to disable it guys. Why means that time to boot it. So that's why I'm disabled the Steam application and something like that, and you also disable like that guys. After that you can select it and disable, and you can select it or enable it. Anything is your choice. And next, increase the performance of your computer. Go to search menu and type power setting, power plan, control panel, eject power plan. Click on it, and here you want to go to power option over here, and you need to select I'm already enabled it guys, flavors for performance but may use more energy. You need to select show additional plans, click on it, and here will be your option guys, high performance option. You need to check it like this. I'm already enabled it, that's why that is not here, and close out of here. And that next point, you need to disable one service guys, so that you need to increase your FPS and speed of your computer. So that you need to search services, open it. In services you need to find SOS main, that is unwanted in startup guys, that's where you need to disable it. Search in computer keyboard, yes, so you can find it, SOS main. Double click on it. You need to stop it guys. Before that you need to disable it and stop it and apply it guys, and okay, close out of here. And now you can easily see that performance guys after restarting your PC, that will increase your speed of your boot time, and everything is cool guys. And last thing, you need to update your Windows guys, that is recommended. Go to settings, you need to click on Windows update here, and you need to update available to download. If you having this option, you need to download and install it, or you are up to date, that is okay guys, that is fine. And close out of here. You are up to date. I am now up to date guys, updated. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.